All right, my friends, Jesse here at ASE Auto Repair. I'm here with my master ASE technician, David. And David is performing a cooling system service on this particular vehicle. This vehicle initially came in because the radiator was leaking. So we're doing a radiator replacement on it. But versus just doing a radiator replacement and fixing just the broken part, David made an observation that the cooling hoses was old and cracked and not reliable, and that it was way past the time that the cooling system should be serviced. So we would rather do a system repair to give you reliability and performance so that you're not coming back to our shop in just a few weeks to repair a different component on the same system. So we'll do a cooling system flush on this. We'll change the hoses, perhaps even a thermostat and a water pump. I'm not sure exactly what all was configured in this particular package, but our outcome on this is to be able to give you, our customer, our friend, the most reliable experience we can give you and build the most trust we can, because we want to treat you like we treat each other.